Understanding Self-Plagiarism, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and important topic in the world of writing and academia. Self-plagiarism. This concept might seem a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, we'll explore it together in an easy-to-understand way. So, let's dive in. Self-plagiarism might sound like an odd term. How can one plagiarize oneself? Well, self-plagiarism occurs when a person reuses their own previously written work or ideas in a new context, without acknowledging the original work. This is considered unethical in many academic and professional settings because it presents old work as new, which can mislead readers or audiences about the novelty and originality of the current work. You might wonder why it's wrong to reuse your own work. The key issue here is transparency and honesty. In academics and professional fields, new work is expected to be just that, new. When someone reuses their previous work without proper citation, it creates a false impression of creating more original content than they actually did. This can have serious consequences in academic and professional environments. Avoiding self-plagiarism is crucial in maintaining ethical standards. Here are some tips. 1. Always cite your previous work. If you need to use ideas or excerpts from your earlier work, treat it as you would someone else's work. Cite it appropriately. 2. Create fresh content. Strive to create new ideas and content, rather than recycling old work. 3. Understand the rules. Different institutions and publishers have their own policies on self-plagiarism, so make sure you understand and adhere to these. Self-plagiarism is a unique and often misunderstood concept in the world of writing and academia. It's important to recognize and avoid it to maintain the integrity and originality of your work. Remember, being honest and transparent in your writing not only reflects well on you but also contributes to the collective knowledge in a meaningful way. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding self-plagiarism. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.